Hey guys, Guntek here. We're back with another YouTube video, I guess. Today I will be showing you how to install MCedit. So you guys might have seen my MCedit series. If you haven't, go check it out. MCedit, for MCedit in Minecraft, the full version is required. So here we go. First, you want to go up to your internet browser and type in, well, for instance, I'm using Bing, but, so, you can use anything. Oops, my water just fell down. So, now, you want to type in, MCedit, all caps, and then hit enter. So, as you see right here, you might see MCedit, a Minecraft world editor. Click on that. Now you'll see this. So for whatever, just try and find the update that you're using. So click on it, then it's not here. Oh yeah, you have to click on whatever you're using, either Windows, Mac OS X, or Linux, and click on this. It has your update file folder. Click on it, then click save. So then you can just close this, go into here, just open up computer. Actually no, not computer, sorry. Click on the start, then type in MCedit. MCedit. And then, here, let me just type it in the search. Sorry for this, guys, but MCedit. So, and then once you've done that, MCedit. Sorry for that, guys. Then once you've done that, click on this top one. Okay? Click on that top one. Now you'll see this pop up. So click on mcedit.exe. Double click on it. You can also just right click to make a shortcut for it. And then there you go. MCedit should be loading up. And now you have MCedit. So, yeah, there you go. I hope you enjoyed. Hit that like button, comment if this was useful, and also subscribe. See you later. Bye. Going to get out.